Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crockpot Cookbooks is probably one of the most sought-after resources for home cooks looking to simplify their meal preparation and explore a wide variety of delicious recipes. This video will dive into the top picks, helping you find the perfect cookbook to elevate your culinary skills and transform your kitchen into a haven of flavorful slow-cooked meals, making weeknight dinners a breeze and weekend gatherings a culinary delight. Number 5. Crockpot Recipe Collection. This collection is your new secret weapon in the kitchen. It's packed with over 350 delicious and easy slow cooker recipes. With so many options, you'll never get bored. It has something for everyone, from hearty stews to light and refreshing dishes. It simplifies your cooking process. Just toss in your ingredients, set it, and forget it. It's the ideal solution for busy weeknights. Come home to a delicious, home-cooked meal without the fuss. You can trust this collection. It's from the leader in slow cooking, ensuring quality and delicious results every time. Get ready to explore a world of flavor. This collection will transform your cooking experience. What we like. It boasts an impressive collection of recipes and comes from a trusted source in slow cooking. If you're a serious slow cooker enthusiast and want a wide array of options to explore, this is the cookbook for you. Its sheer volume ensures you'll always find something new and exciting to try in your slow cooker. What people say. Has so many recipes that are easy to follow. Both were delicious. The recipes were easy to follow without a ton of ingredients. It has a nice variety of recipes in pretty large print, and I know he'll appreciate this new cookbook full of things that are easy for him to make for himself and for mom. Number 4. Easy 5-Ingredient Slow Cooker Cookbook. Welcome to the Easy 5-Ingredient Slow Cooker Cookbook. It's packed with 100 delicious and simple recipes perfect for busy weeknights. Each recipe uses only 5 ingredients, plus pantry staples. This cookbook makes healthy and flavorful meals incredibly easy to prepare. Let your slow cooker do the work. It's the secret to effortlessly creating amazing meals with minimal cleanup. These recipes are designed for busy people. They're quick to assemble and perfect for those nights when you're short on time. Discover a world of flavor with these 100 delicious recipes. It's the perfect cookbook for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to effortless cooking. It's all about simple ingredients and maximum flavor. What we like. This cookbook focuses on simplicity and efficiency. If you value convenience and have a busy lifestyle but still want delicious meals, this is perfect. Its simple recipes mean less time spent in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food. What people say. The author does a great job of calling out allergy swaps where they are able to be made, and there are also a lot of recipes that meet our needs without making adjustments. I have found the cook times to be accurate, and the dishes are generally flavorful and easy to assemble. All recipes are scaled for a standard 6-quart crock pot. The beginning of the book lists pantry items, spices, flour, oil, sugar, salt, broth, etc. as a basic set of items to have to do any of the recipes. These items are not counted as the 5 ingredients. In the recipes the 5 unique items are highlighted, making it easy to quickly read and shop. The ingredients are common and easy to get in the measurement listed. This cookbook is full of healthy recipes that take 15 minutes to prep in a crock pot. Number 3. One-Pan Cookbook for Men. Cooking delicious meals doesn't have to be complicated. This cookbook simplifies things. It's packed with 100 simple, single-skillet recipes, perfect for busy guys. Each recipe is designed for easy cleanup, just one pan to wash. It's time to impress yourself and others with your culinary skills. The clear instructions make it easy for even beginner cooks to create restaurant-quality meals. No prior cooking experience is needed. It's designed to help you build confidence in the kitchen. These recipes are not only easy to make, but they're also delicious and satisfying. What we like. It simplifies cooking with its one-pan approach. If you're a bachelor or simply hate washing dishes, this cookbook is a game changer. The focus on single-skillet recipes makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. What people say. Easy recipes with simple ingredients that are easy to find in any grocery store. Really easy cookbook. I love that it's one pot. Me and my kids enjoyed the lasagna. Can't wait to try the other recipes. This is a great cookbook for American classics and comfort foods, chicken pot pie, beef stroganoff, etc. The food tastes great. Recipes are easy to follow. Number 2. Crock Pot Cookbook 2023. Welcome to the world of effortless cooking. This cookbook is your guide to delicious and healthy meals, all made incredibly easy with your crock pot. Discover 1,200 amazing recipes, each designed for simplicity and packed with flavor. It's the key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find this cookbook incredibly easy to follow. It's perfect for busy weeknights and stress-free weekends. It's all about creating healthy and delicious meals without sacrificing taste or convenience. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with every bite. This cookbook provides recipes for every meal of the day. It's your one-stop solution for all your cooking needs, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Start cooking delicious and nutritious meals today. What we like. This cookbook offers an enormous variety of healthy and easy-to-make recipes. If you're a beginner in the kitchen or looking to eat healthier, this cookbook is an excellent choice. The sheer number of recipes ensures you'll never get bored, and the focus on health makes it a great option for conscious eaters. Number 1. Easy 5-ingredient Crock Pot Cookbook. Welcome to the world of effortless cooking. This cookbook provides 380 quick and delicious recipes, perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Get ready to enjoy amazing meals with minimal effort. Each recipe uses 5 ingredients or less, making meal preparation a breeze. Discover how simple it is to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. It's all about convenience. Simply toss your ingredients into your crock pot, and let it do the work while you relax. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals without the fuss. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find these recipes easy to follow. Clear instructions and simple techniques guide you every step of the way. Experienced cooks will also appreciate the unique flavor combinations and creative twists on classic dishes. It's a great way to expand your culinary horizons. With 380 recipes to choose from, you'll never run out of delicious meal ideas. There's something for everyone, and every occasion. It's time to say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to quick, delicious meals that the whole family will love. Enjoy. What we like. It provides quick and delicious recipes with minimal ingredients, suitable for all skill levels. If you're looking for tasty meals without spending hours in the kitchen, regardless of your cooking experience, this cookbook is a great fit. Its versatility makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. What people say. Love how this has easy-to-follow recipes with only 5 ingredients. This book has nice colorful pictures. The recipes are easy-to-find ingredients, well-explained and easy to follow, and the ones I have tried have been delicious. This cookbook actually surprised me. It has tons of recipes and the index in the back makes it incredibly easy to find specific ones. Most cookbooks have very clustered index and this one is very simple, easy to read and find what you are looking for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.